Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this look using one eyeshadow. It's been a while since we did a beginner series video, plus this was requested to do a look using one eyeshadow, and I would almost always do something like mauve pink or like peach in a one shadow look, maybe coral as well. And I love how this turned out. I added lashes, and we're using some new products today from AOA Studio or ShopMissA.com, and I'm using their soft base in Nude, and I applied that with a sponge, and honestly I'm not the biggest fan of that eyeshadow base, but applying it with a sponge did help. And I have their new Moonstone eyeshadow palette, and from that palette, first row, second eyeshadow, this will be the only eyeshadow we use in this whole video. It's this beautiful dusty pink shade, and I'm taking this also on a fluffy brush. I want to show emphasis on the brush that I'm using as well, so I'm able to pick up shadow on the side of this brush and place it on the lid, and then turn it on its side and blend this out up into the crease, up to the brow bone area, using the top of the brush. So I'm using this one eyeshadow brush for the entire look, and I'm showing you here. It's just a fluffy kind of crease blending brush, but I'm using it for dual purposes. And I love how this look came out. It's so girly and feminine, and very easy and quickly you can put this look together. And I'm showing my hand placement is at the end of the brush, so I don't have much control over it. Not using a heavy hand, I'm just feathering that into the crease. Now from AOA Studio, I'm using the Perfect Pressed Powder as my highlight, and I'm sure most of you have a pressed powder, so just pick up any pressed powder that you have. And this look can be done very quickly, and it's messy, and it still looks very well put together. That's what I love about these beginner series looks. For the most part, I try to do very easy looks that anyone can achieve, and I did bring that along the lower lash line as well. I'm going to use LaColors Strobing highlighter powder. This is in Flashing Pink, and this is completely optional, but I am just going to put a little under the brow bone. And the reason why I say it's completely optional, because if you wanted this to be one shadow, then just use your shadow and your pressed powder. But this day I wanted just a little bit of pop of shimmer, and I'm also going to be placing that in the inner corner and spritzing it with Believe Beauty setting spray. And if you love the top I'm wearing, I'm going to link the Sheen link below for this top. It's so beautiful and so comfy, and it's just really nice. I'm loving the Sheen website. I've got some really nice things from that website. So next up, the AOA Studio lashes in the style Rose, and they're A+ Super Strip Lash Adhesive as well. So I tried to make all this entire look pretty much for AOA Studio or things from ShopMissA.com. And I did glue on my lid. Doesn't matter. It dries. It doesn't matter at all. And I have my lashes set, and I curled them. And I'm going to be applying the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara to my natural lashes just to help mesh those two together. And I always do this when I'm wearing lashes. And I love how this look turned out. It's so easy, and I really hope that you guys will try it out for yourselves as well. And it's so pretty. So for lips, we're using Maybelline's Nude Lust, Big Surprise. I'm trying to use this lipstick up as well. It's my favorite lipstick also, but we're almost there. It's so pretty. Believe Beauty setting spray to set my makeup in place and last all day. And I'm going to fan my setting spray off and slay. So that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more looks using this Moonstone palette. Check the description box for additional links as well as that product list. And if I forget to put it down there, please remind me, because sometimes I get busy and forget to do that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.